Today I am going to be unboxing my new keyboard. I've had this keyboard since 2019. It works fine. I have had issues with it disconnecting, and I mainly want to upgrade in order to get a keyboard that is a little bit more silent. This one's not it's like fine, like I like it, but if you live with other people it can get a little bit annoying, so I tried to find a way to make it a little bit more silent. So I got a new keyboard, I got new switches, and also new caps or keycaps. So technically I'm building my new keyboard. Don't know how much I'm gonna talk in this video. I mainly want to just unbox all of my things, and I'll try to list all of the products in the description box. I think first I'm gonna unbox the actual keyboard, like the new one. This is the brand of the keyboard that I got. And this is the back. One of these separately because the one I have right now, it doesn't have the switch tool, so I might return the one I bought. This is fancy. My old one did not come with a plastic cover. I'm definitely gonna keep this, especially when I'm on vacation, to keep the dust off, because the keys that I got might get dirty. Oh, it is a lot bigger than the one I have. For some reason I didn't think it was gonna be that much of a difference, but it definitely is. So this is my old one. My new one, I think this one is 50% keyboard, and then this one's a 75, and it also has a little screen right here. Ooh, this feels nice. This is actually really nice. I don't think I'm gonna turn it on. I think I'll like do all that at the end once I have everything built, because that's gonna take too long. Did get new keys for it, mainly because I want it to be a little bit pink. And then it came with the connector, and then obviously to take out the keys. But I'm gonna test it out sound wise. So that's the new one, and then my old one. Yeah, this one does sound a little bit better. Also, sorry, my nails are chipped. I'm too lazy to repaint them. These keys actually feel really nice. Okay, I think I'll show the switches I got. These are the switches that I'm gonna use. They're supposed to be silent. I don't know how silent they're gonna be. They look like this. So I think I'm gonna take out everything. That's gonna take a long time, and then I'm gonna put these on, and then I'll show the keycaps that I got after. I wonder if this... Oh, okay. Because I don't want to connect this. I'm too lazy. If I find out that this one doesn't work, then I'll connect it. Look, it looks so pretty. And I'm gonna put a GIF. A GIF? A GIF. It works. Look.